All right, we're back here on the Cadillac. We've been laying out for a few days, but we're back now. Still got a lot of sanding to do. There's Johnny. Though it looks like fun. Anyway, we run into a problem. We've got these bumper fillers that we bought, which I was all excited because they were fiberglass. They're not the if you see they're fiberglass, hand laden fiberglass. I thought, oh, how cool is that going to be? But Johnny, what do you think?
Well, they'll need some work. They don't exactly fit the fender very well, and then they flare out the wrong way.
Yeah.
So,
not to mention that you can see where we've been adding Bondo to them, trying to fill them back up to where
they were wavy as they could be when we got them. And I thought, well, we'll just straighten out the waves, but no, it needs more than that.
So I got Magic Mike over here. That's Magic Mike. And we're fixing to bolt these things on and try to get these things ready. Both sides the same way. We got some more we hadn't looked at up in the front we got to put on. So anyway, let's see how this all works out. But we're down the metal. I got the metal etching primer. I got the main man over here, Johnny Akery. Johnny the man Akery right there. Yeah. So anyway, we'll see how this works out. been working on this Cadillac. Now everybody else is in here. Yeah, I've been working hard.
Johnny's been working hard.
I'm gonna go here and show you the progress that's going on. Y'all want to see what I've done?
Yeah.
Y'all see what I've done? Yeah. Here we go. I've got the top on it. No, I ain't gonna lie, I had to leave, but anyway. How's that look, Mike?
The only thing we gotta do is gotta find a bolt for this side. You nut down there, and nothing here, but tighten that up.
What happened to when the ones you took off of it?
I didn't take them off.
I took him off there.
Oh, okay. Anyway,
That's how we gotta pull
there's
this.
King Johnny.
Yeah. What I did, Bill, that ain't gonna tighten up. So we need to get another bolt for it.
Anyway, looks like we're getting ready to shoot some primer on this thing. I'm not. Johnny is. A lot of sanding. Got these put in here. Johnny, what do you think about the progress of the Cadillac?
It is making progress.
Right?
All progress is good. It may not be what we want. Progress is progress.
So you're used to painting smaller vehicles. You think you're gonna be all right with this big land yacht?
Yeah, we'll make it. It's a long night.
It's a long night. Anyway, we'll get this started here. Yeah, I kind of laid out on him a little bit, but Mike kept him busy. Kept him going. Anyway, this is what they've been working on. We ain't got a whole lot of videos on this, but anyway, this is Evan's little. What model is this truck, Evan? How many miles on this thing? 300,000. And there's the rest of it we got to get. But let's see what else is going on in here. Well, is that enough? How long does this got to dry?
Urethane primer on top of this.
So we're gonna put 2 more coats.
Yeah. Then we'll be ready to start sanding.
Or we got to sand again?
More sanding. Sanding.
I don't want to sand. I don't want to sand.
That is coat number 2. 30 minutes or so. We'll put on some urethane primer, a couple of coats of that. Let it dry a day or 2 and start sanding. All right, we got a prime. He got a prime. World famous Johnny. I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna tag this video with the car that he built. I don't know if you've seen it or not, but the Audi Quattro Ute. Yes.
It's a car that I guess it's bipolar.
Yes.
Bipolar.
It identifies as truck.
Yes, it's identifies as a truck, but it's a car. So anyway, I'll tag that with you.
Anyway, we get back. He said a couple of days we're gonna sand this thing down and do the final deal on that, and then paint. Right?
I think so.
I mean, the car's in really good shape. It's not
Yeah, it doesn't need much.
2 dents, and that's it. It's got 23,000 miles.
Yeah, underneath that trunk lid, we got to work on that a little bit.
Right. All right. Well, good deal. Say bye, Johnny.
Bye, Johnny.
Well.